Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reset an image in RawTherapee. So let's say that you are currently editing a photo and you want to start over. So what you need to do is look for the neutral profile button at the very top right of the screen in the processing profile section. So here under the custom you will see neutral. If you click on that, as you can see, uh, everything went to the neutral. So it's basically return the raw file to its flat state. So there isn't a single reset key, but clicking the undo history left panel and selecting the very first entry, usually install state, does the same thing right here. As you can see, you can do that also. So if you want only to reset one section, like just exposure or noise, let me go back to the normal state of the photo. So I will go here to the custom. Okay, just like that. Now look for the circular arrow icon at the top right of any specific tools panel. So let's say we are here, we put some highlights on or shadows, and you will see here this icon. This will reset to the default value of this specific highlight here, as you can see. So if I change something here, okay, so I need to power on this, that it will be changes just like that, as you can see. And now if I press here, it will reset to the original state. Now, if you want to clear the edits for one or many photos at once, you need to select the thumbnail in the file browser, and then what you need to do is right click and go processing profile operation, and then apply neutral profile right here, neutral, or you can reset to the default. But if you go here to apply partial, and then you have here neutral, and this will physically override the setting for those files. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next